up, guys? I'm Carlos Roberto. Thank you for stopping by my YouTube channel this week. To all my new subscribers, welcome. To all my old subscribers, my young spades, welcome back, my peeps. If you haven't subscribed yet, please press that subscribe button. It's right here. It's super easy. It takes 1 second. Actually, go ahead and just do it. I'll wait. I was going through my comment section yesterday and I realized that there was a very popular question that you guys always ask. How to maintain volume with longer hair. My hair right now is pretty long. I've been letting it grow out since my last haircut, which you can see right here. My hair was very short then. It was a little bit too clean for me, so now I kind of missed the longer hair days and I'm going back to it. So my hair right now is about 5 inches max on top. And for my hair, since I have wavy and thick hair, it weighs it down a lot easier when I apply products, so it's at that point where I kind of have to use an alternative to maintain the volume that I want and achieve. So that's what I'm here to talk to you guys about today. So now that my hair is completely damp, it's wet, we're gonna go ahead and blow dry it, and we're gonna apply the Smooth Skinny Serum that I've always applied by Paul Mitchell, which is a wonderful product, so I highly suggest you guys get it. But any hair serum works as long as you have some heat protectant. Let's go ahead and begin this process by blow drying my hair. I am just doing some finger combing with my hair and making sure that I tease my hair with my fingers, not a comb, simply because my fingers are just going to give my hair a little bit more friction. With the heat of my hands and also the heat of the blow dryer, it causes enough friction so you could get the most volume. So usually I would go ahead and apply a product like More Smiley, American Crew, or even Chapter, or whatever product that I want to use. But there's been a lot of questions on my comment section regarding hold. Specifically, when your hair is too long, you apply product and it falls down. Product is going to weigh down your hair regardless, whichever one you use. I don't want to kill this volume at all. I want to hold this volume in place. So that's exactly what we're going to be doing with this hairspray. Let's go ahead and apply this product. If you have longer hair and you're using a clay, a fiber, glue, whatever you're using to try to maintain that look, give your hair that shape and volume that you want with the longer hair, product is always going to weigh down your hair naturally. It's just what it does. The natural oils that your hair produces on top of the ingredients that the formula has, you're always going to have build up and it's always going to weigh down your hair somewhat. I've never really made a video on hairspray because I don't use it. You guys could go down and scroll down my videos. Make sure you check them all out. You guys will see that I rarely make any video content regarding hairspray, and that's because all the hairsprays that I use, I've had not good experiences. I've used it just because I want to maintain the hold, but I never actually used one that I could live by. And this hairspray I've been using for like the last 5 days, and it's been amazing. Go ahead and blow dry your hair. You like the volume that you have, and you just lock it right in place. You just lock it right in place. So yeah, guys, there you have it. This is the Redken Triple Take 32. I will have a link down below, so if you guys want to purchase this and try it out, I promise you this is super sick and it does not leave your hair flaky whatsoever. So thank you guys so much for stopping by my YouTube channel this week. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram at @Carlos to see what I'm up to this weekend. It is my birthday month, so I might be turning up all month. But yeah, go follow me there. Don't forget to hit subscribe, share this video if you found it useful. Thank you guys so much, all my new subscribers, all my old subscribers. I appreciate you guys, young spades in here. Don't forget to push down on everything. I'll see you guys soon. Peace out.
That's how Carlos does his videos. He is a one cut raw. He really...
Like you with Noonie, raw.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Oh man, that's disgusting.